I come out of retirement, me one day back on the live. So me just get another one there and start do my local work again. Come out of retirement. Alright, all the new people them. If you already have your team member, that's fine. And you already have your people them who you deal with, that's fine. But the real royal family them, I'm asking you to subscribe. Me just get 2. How much subscribe coming already? And then me I go teach you something if you're new. If you're willing to learn. For all new members. So we are doing the subscription now. And we are going to set up the new people in the royal family who want to learn for better yourself. What to do to be a member of RT team. Everybody have them team. So you're going to subscribe to be a member of my team right here. So. And then now if you want the prosperity energy for blessing come your way, then you have to have some things where you have to go set up. If you choose to, but you don't have to. Like for example, when you become a subscribe, if you're there Instagram or anywhere, once you use their Instagram and Facebook and you're there, so you can afford to subscribe. If you cannot subscribe, I understand, leave that alone. But if you're subscribed to this and energy, what you need to know now, you need to have 3 turnip and 3 tomato in a white plate like this. Start off 3 tomato, 3 turnip in 3 separate plates. Put money under it. The turnip. So the turnip, 3 big turnip and you put money under it. The turnip it is to remove negative energy and blockage and turn things your way. The tomato like salad is to put in a plate like this and you put money on it. It is to deal with love life, communication and family matter and the way you make choices. Most people who follow me do what I say. You're not going to be 1 or 10. You maybe be the next 1,000. When you do that, it's like a frequency energy to connect with my spiritual energy. So you see a lot of luck coming. The people who do it, I have them at the yard now as we speak. And you see that it bring you luck. Bring in the crystal ball mixed with art. Because a lot of people here do it and a lot of people take bossy thing and joke thing. So if you have this area that you do it, send in the crystal ball mixed with the art to represent, say yes, you do it in your yard and it worked for you. So for if you new and you want to tap in on that energy, the tomato and the turnip and you put the money under it, when you're ready you can keep spending the money if you want and change the money. As in if say for example you have $300 to $20 upon it. And if you want, you take up back $100 for it. And then when you find the $100, you put it back. The turnip and the tomato is for attract energy. So if they put it in your mindset, so the turnip is to remove negative energy. So once you put the turnip in the plate, it becomes to turn out negative. So either you turn out or turn in. The tomato represents your art for peace and prosperity, love and communication, and family. Because the tomatoes represent your art naturally, but it's a fruit. So if you use those 2 emblems, it's like a woman man with a light a candle and do this, do that. But this is a different type of spirituality. So when you do what I say right there, so you will find luck and prosperity in job. No more, do me a favor. I'm asking you please to share. I only have 15 share. And a lot of people there here up on the outside. Some want to come in. And I need you guys to share the live so other people know some live. So therefore we can continue with the show. Just share, please. I'm going to go to advice. But me need at least the royal family. I'm not talking about the new people. Them. Royal family, I need some subscription. I need 3 more. So, you don't you subscribe yet? Alright, me just subscribe. Thank you. Me just get 1 month. When you subscribe to the thing, when you can subscribe for 1 month. To be a member, I upload a picture and put different things there. Subscribe, man. I need 1 more subscription. Big up the subscription there. Big them up. Big them up. I need subscription. Is she? Where she gone? 2 more subscription. And I get 46 share. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I ask a question and I know no answer me. I say to you, say, if when you send us something there and it come from my head, is that is showing that you subscribe or is just a gift? Coconut, when you send that a while ago, you subscribe or is just a gift? Just a member. No, just a gift. A gift. Okay. Member. Just a member. Oh, not stress me. Thank you, boss Bella. Which Bella that? Okay, see there? Click on it and subscribe. The one where they are firing. Please. Boss me. Look some subscription, so at least me know me have a fan base now. You just did, big up your blessing. Big up your blessing and big up yourself and the blessing big up you. Come again, who again? May I ask? It's not everybody, you know, and then after me done, it's what is big G. Alright, let me tell you what the GMT mean. The GMT mean global money team. Global money team. So when you see that GM, it used to be boss, but the boss just local. So the GMT mean global money team. So it's all about you. It's global money, energy, money. So the meaning of GMT is global money team. It's like we have Mayweather have a money team. So the GMT is global money team. So it's like you would have be like a GMT member. Instead of say royal family, because it's a money team, global money team. rtboss and the global money team. So that's the energy behind GMT. It have to deal with money, global money team. So when you subscribe, that's GMT, global money team. Alright? I'm gonna get a lot of subscription. Alright, big up on yourself now. So what I am about is advise and read people, as some of you are aware of. But me can't read everybody at once, so to make it be easier for me, we do a thing called advise. When I post the number and I say I'm doing an advice different from reading. When I'm saying I'm doing an advice show, is a way for to telling you that you are aware that I can read. So when you come to me with an advice, I'm supposed to answer you spiritual. What is an advice? Whatever situation you're going through and you feel like there is a blockage and you need clarity, then you call me and say to me, RT, I have this situation with a man, I have this situation with a woman, and then I am going to give you clarity based on the information you give me. And if I choose to look within the information for the spiritual energy, it will work out. You understand what I'm saying? Alright, so the number is 857-251-0471. I'm not going to take no indie box. I'm not going to take no indie box. When I take the indie box and I talk to you right now, I don't want to do an indie box right now. Just subscribe. I will call your name out if I choose to. I don't want to do the indie box because when we do the indie box and read you intend to go other places. If you're brave to come here, so you go brave to go somewhere else. And then it's them I watch me where you are go. And the same thing me tell them I go tell you when you go. So I'm rather do it private so nobody don't know you. Cause everybody I watch me as a reader, man, we say them I read on the fake page too. Even from the out of the wall I look into. So the best when time you call the phone and we talk. Then me will pick you out when we're ready. But we could start as first. So the numbers to call is 857-251-0471. And you know me work with the crystal ball. And you know where the GMT mean. I'm going to tell you where the 2 meter go. I'm going to tell you how the Turnip go. Do you want me to show you an example? You know, never say yes. I don't know why I asked that. Example of the tomato and the turnip, what I'm talking about. No, that's not gonna say yes. No, not gonna say yes. Alright, so let me just show you an example what I'm talking about. It is not witchcraft, it's just something good. And we don't laugh, no, we know. We don't laugh. Alright. In spirituality, I'm talking patwa. When you set the fruits and the turnip is a frequency, is an energy, is a table, is an order. But it connect back with RT, the leader. It's like, you know, I get a Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi have a bridge of, you get the modem and me at the Wi-Fi. Let me change this again. 1 minute. You see it? When you do that, it bring lot of luck. Ah, Jesus, how do I do this? I know do to you. As time goes by, I can explain. But trust and believe it do work. Alright, so we just go straight to the phone line now. Alright, let me address that. Many people need to know that yes, people use my name coming on the inbox with fake page. Yes, you have to be careful. You have to be careful. It's not me. They are scamming. They are telling lie. So I just want to know that, please. Alright? Just bear in mind that it's not me, a fake page. Once them come, block them. Once them come in the inbox, I ask them for money and them a gear reading, block them. Once them come in the inbox and say, hello, may I read you? Or this is RT, block them. I do not go in people inbox. Once the person come in the inbox and I say, reading, you want money and a half of money, block them. Once him start issue free reading, block them. Once him come in and say, hey, how are you do, block them. Because you have to be careful, it's not me. So like when you dip on the page here and you follow the page here and you know the page here me. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning, are you hearing me?
Hi, good morning.
Turn on the next phone in the background. What can I do for you?
I'm just asking for some advice,
What is the issue?
please. Like, I really do have money problems. Like, whenever I try my work, I don't know where my money goes, even though I pay the bills, but like to get stuff for myself.
Everybody have that problem, including me and people on the live. Everybody have that problem when we get the money that stay with we, but it's bigger than we were. Everybody have that problem. It's like this. If you check the ratio, the job where you are doing, the pay where you are get, the bills where you have for the month is more than where you are get for your pay. So that is how it designed. So you are trying your best to save, but nothing not in a way you are work for save, darling. That's the reality of life. Whatever you make and where you hustle, all of us as you get it done and it done before it come again and the next bills keep on come. All I would advise you to do is you're young, you can try to get another job, whether under the table or to balance yourself. You understand? Hello?
But actually, they tell me something and it did work out anyways.
What did they tell you?
Maybe the overseas, right? But not a big country. So I'm gonna get my children them. Yes, I did get them.
Oh, you remember when you had a problem with your picking them and you couldn't get them from the father?
Yes.
A long time, that you know.
Yeah.
So everything come true now?
Work up. Yeah, they're here and everything, but like I just a little problem that I have no.
Well, you don't have no problem. Yeah, make it be a problem. All you have to do now is budget. Like for example, certain things when they're needed, make sense right now.
Yeah.
Certain things that are needed, make no sense now. Double checking in your life, Mrs. So you end up on a 2-month spree right now. What go on there?
Hello?
What one with a 2-man there? You're too dainty for them. There's something. Them they have girl like cheese and momo style. So you're reaching at that.
Well, I see right now more help with little something and some things to clear more.
Yeah, but honor your style that. Honor your style that. So you get caught in that there.
Well, I'm pray about it and I leave that alone because it's
yeah, but end of the day, you take up cheese and momo nasty style. Me not just I use it cause you based on the same energy. Because end of the day, I see the next man, alright, but it's just that him not do what him for do relationship wise and sexually in body language, emotion wise, him not show it.
That's true.
And that is because him not paying no mind you. So the next man just did it for free and make you feel pleased and make you feel fucked. Hello?
Yes, so I think I can't get the local help with I believe that alone. I'm afraid about it. So I can't get the local help to get the stuff then.
You can go on the website and buy me soap, but my advice to you now, good girl. I'm going to see something.
But me not have no money.
That's the blood clot problem. We have fuck too cocky and can't have no money. That's what I try to see about go back to your meds. But listen what I'm saying. Let me hear me out. It sounds degrading, but just hear me out of the truth. The better you have no man rather than a fuck two man or one serious and the other one a hide and you're in a money problem. So that means you're putting on a value and your mind cheap. So you have to go back to the drawing board because if you're gonna fuck a boy out there, he must can't able to help you because it don't make no sense you fuck him and he can't do nothing.
So who tells me not put on that energy RT?
Well, if you decide to work for put it down now, you take time kill it or you take time get rid of it, you drop it, but you still a fuck him. The feeling's not there, but the fuck vibes not drop yet. Until you drop the fuck vibes, you will find your way.
What me drop that for last year?
Me no feel so. Me see the connection same way. So what is the problem? Why?
No, me finish with that.
Why you feel like me still a see it? A karma with me a see it, or me just too fast?
I'm not sure, but I'm done with that.
Listen, whatever you're done with that, me know you have your main man and the guy did the same way. And this is what I want to show you why I bring it up. I don't know if you're reflecting or you're thinking about him, because away from your outright man, there's that even another man that come where you play around with your phone. And me not meds him that much because you really not meds him. You just a laugh. And me not talk about him. Me I talk about the next one. So me just feel like some feelings still attached with you and the guy. I don't know if I sexually or what, but me feel like you and him attached.
Well, me finish with this, so me don't know, maybe he might think.
What the question you want to ask me?
The question I want to ask you, do you see I'm getting the next job because I applied for a job somewhere? I
see you in the medical field and I see you at front desk, but the front desk can come first.
Okay, right.
And I see that job within the month of, what we in April, within in the 20s. So yes, I see a job. I'm gonna leave you. Hello, caller, you live. Tap up the screen, man, please. Tap up the screen, man. If you can meet the light goal, you meet the life goal. Hello? I need to see 1K. I don't feel comfortable with the 800. Can you give me even 0? 10. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
How are you? Come tap up the screen, please. I have 65. Listen, you be fair with me. I'm not begging gift. I'm begging shares and subscribe. I'm not stressing out with gift. So if you can share for me, make all your mates to say, yeah, watch me. Send it go give all the girl where look your man. And the man where you did there with, and in this if you're another girl, send it go give me. I go think say, yeah, will be him or maybe this. I go get afraid and keep far. You know people. Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
What do you ask me, darling?
It's an asking question today.
Caller, you live. Hello?
Good afternoon, RT.
What you here to ask me, darling?
I'm contemplating about getting a house with my mother. She have a money problem. So me not really know, but me don't want leave her behind because all we have is each other. So I'm just.
And what kind of money problem she has?
She have a problem where she's not paying her expenses on time. So I don't want to get a house with her and then she can't pay the bills.
Okay. So she's not credible. All right. So listen, if you know that the situation with your mother, you don't want to get a house with her and I don't your mother, you respect her and whatever. Well, if you can get the house in your name, but I realize that if you and I get it together, it's more easier for the both of you based on our foreign setup. So what I'd say to you, with you done your mother already and so forth, and you say you don't want to leave her, I think I understand the situation and the behavior. Certain people can change, and certain people you have to accept them and love them, and hear why you have to accept them and love them. Because if God can't say come as you are, God know them a blood clot problem. That's why I'm saying come as you are. So I would advise you to get the house and get a upper hand in the house and embrace yourself to take on the mortgage. And whenever time she come in, she come in. But go with the mindset of you fully ineffective paying with the mortgage. And anytime she come in, you can fall in the realms of anytime she come in, she come in. But with that mindset, I don't want you to have up your mother have anything against her because I done your mother because she have her own issue.
Yeah.
But you just have to face the reality that she have her issue and we do need the house. So you have to just face the reality and buckle up to the mortgage. You and your man have to go man up. And then put your mother there as in helping your mother and try coach your mother to find herself.
That's the problem.
You see, thinking life is very rough and hard, But everything will happen in due season and timing. Okay. And I don't think this is a situation where you have to go worry about because I see where as you get the house, because you have ambitious energy and you have more working. I see when you do get the house changes on the mother side, well cock up in the basement.
Okay.
So I think it will be changed. Changes is there.
Okay, so you see.
Well, did you lost a baby? Why are you crying?
I did lose a baby.
So why you walking with the baby crying, baby, where you lost?
Why what?
Why you walking with it? Why you crying about it? Why you bringing it here?
Because I'm still going through the trauma.
Well, if we go past through the trauma, move on because that's also a help you to make bad decisions and to fuck up your thought and make your meds in all different way because such is life. We do buck with two and falter, but we have to get up again. Okay. I understand what you're saying, but you're that was past your age of prime. No, you're a big woman, man. Let go and move on.
No, I just recently.
Well, just let go and move on. Just let go and move on.
Okay.
Just let go and move on. But I hear a spirit that ball out twice. Lord Jesus. Why no? Why get one girl's assault? Well, I don't want to be the reader man to say it's sad, but I hear twice. Okay. So she have to go see a herbal doctor. But it's not lower womb. She just need to clean her tube. But it's not no lower womb effect, but it's a tube problem.
A tube problem?
So you have to see a herbalist.
Okay.
Why don't you see one of the herbalists them where with a flush your system when you want to get pregnant? I think you need to see one of those people.
Okay.
Yeah?
Alright, thank you. RT, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, turn up your phone though.
So you're not seeing an attack on my life?
No, but me see the spiritual man and woman tell us the woman will be and the family thing. But me not get them like cast the cheap will be fight. Me not have time for them the same thing there because that is like the cow jump over the moon and the little dog laugh and nothing of blood clot go. So you just have spiritual poker people that turn you. And I am not in the mood of unturning you. You can't make them turn you because you know the money more. Listen to me, good girl. The only thing I over you want some good fuck. Excuse my language.
You want some good fuck?
Right. Sex. You know, a man make you feel pleased and make you feel alright and feel like you're alive without you feel so boring and stressed and unhappy and just feel like something wrong with my life. Okay. Ain't nobody over you, but I can't convince you because more than one people tell you that.
That's true.
But I can't elaborate on that because me I play hype and me I play like, oh Lord, me not have time for going to them to sit there. She an idiot. You're pitting sitting them because she should have known so nobody now will be her. If you will be her and you want a good man, a man and love you want.
Exactly.
You get a man now and you get a good fuck, you fall in love and wake up again. Nobody now will be your darling.
Okay.
Just go serve God and live.
Alright, thank you so much.
And the two people I tell you, me nah go tell a lie, darling. Remember, me tell you, me see them and me see them tell you, you confirm it. I could say what they say, but I don't see why I should say because I lie that we get 45,000 for cleansing me Jamaican money.
Okay.
I mean, I want nothing from you and you're there for it. So God go with you, darling. Just know somebody now over here. I mean, I see that, my darling. I see the negativity, I see the cause, I see the dirty family issue with you and your family, but me not see no over here.
Okay.
Alright.
All right, thank you.
Good.
Bye-bye.
All right. What are you going with up here, sir? Call the man you need for call. 857-251-0471. That's the number. 857-254-072. I want you to press up the screen.